Welcome to Shelly's Cuisine. Twisters, how are you? Today, we are going to make an air fryer recipe, and we're going to make air fryer sweet potatoes. It's going to be quick, but it's going to be delicious. So let's get started. We use 3 sweet potatoes. Okay, of course you have to take the skin off, and we're going to cut them up into chunks. I guess that's not working. And the reason, we just want them in nice chunks. So, let's see here. Wasn't originally cutting the way I wanted, but we can't have everything we want in this world. And so, maybe little 1/2-inch chunks, not too big and not too small. Okay? And so, I just left the last one. I cut the other ones up to make it quick and easy. So you don't have to watch this recipe too long, and you can get to making the air fryer sweet potatoes. Yep, I think that's about good. So that's 3 sweet potatoes. Okay, and now we're going to make a mixture. We're going to do it in the air fryer. So we are going to lightly spray our air fryer pan, and we're going to make the mixture that is going to make it absolutely delicious. So we're starting off with 3 tablespoons of honey. Okay, then we're going to put 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Okay, and yeah, you can't make sweet potatoes without cinnamon. 3/4 teaspoon of cinnamon. Can you taste it yet? 1/2 teaspoon of salt. We know we gotta put salt. This is not gonna taste good. And we're gonna put 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. I might put a little more than 1/4 teaspoon, but that's our mixture. And we're just gonna mix this up. I'm making a mess as usual. And now that I have my little glaze, I am going to pour this into my dish with my sweet potatoes. This is so delicious. Comes out really nice. And, excuse me, forgot to have my towel in front of me. Big mistake, but we can't be perfect. So I'm just gonna mix this. I've already preheated my air fryer to 350 degrees on air fry. And I am going to air fry these for 20 to 25 minutes. That means I'm gonna look at it 20 minutes and see if I need to go the extra 5. So, and we're going to turn it when it gets to the 10-minute mark. There we are, so we're pretty good. I'm gonna get these in the air fryer. Oh guys, they look great. Yep. So, that's it. All right, we'll turn it in 10 minutes. It's time to turn our potatoes. Oh yeah, they're coming up with a nice golden brown. So we're just basically going to shake them so that it can be even. Oh wow. Look at that beautiful golden brown. Okay. We're going to finish them off, and we're going to see if we're going to need 20 or 25 minutes. Our sweet potatoes are finished. I gave it an extra 5 minutes. You can do it at 20 minutes, but I like them a little crisper, so I gave it the extra 5. So between 20 and 25 minutes, and you can use your discretion. and decide. Look at that beautiful, beautiful golden brown color of these sweet potatoes. Nice. They're gonna taste real good with the honey, the cinnamon. Oh yeah. I'm excited to taste. And that was pretty easy, pretty quick, and just something a little bit different, and something to have. And so there you have it. Air fryer sweet potatoes by Shelly's Cuisine, twisted with honey and cinnamon. So, time for me to taste. Oh my God. I love it. Delicious, still soft, little crisp on the edges, beautiful golden brown color. Twisters, thank you for making air fryer sweet potatoes with me today. Please subscribe. Join us next week to find out what we will twist next.